What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another brand new video. Now, I'm sure all of you guys know gold prices plunged more than 6%. It is a historic record-breaking sell-off since 2013. Now, if you are a prop firm trader or a funded trader like myself, there's two potential results. Either one, you made an immense amount of money, or two, perhaps you lost your funded account or blown your challenge. Now, if it's the latter, make sure you guys don't ever give up. Keep going, keep testing your strategies, work on passing your challenges and become that funded trader because it is worth it. Never ever give up. And I know a lot of you guys are very curious to what happened to our Zephyr Gold EA and how it performed in the most historical day for gold. And I'm going to show you in this video what our gold Zephyr EA did. So don't go anywhere, stick around, you're going to be impressed. Let's get after it. All right, guys, welcome back to the video. Now, the question still remains, did the gold Zephyr EA blow the trading account that it was installed on? And the answer is absolutely not. If you guys have been following our YouTube channel, you guys know we've been posting gold trading videos literally almost every other day. You guys can track the trading performance of our gold Zephyr EA in the last 90 plus days. And we can confidently say that the gold Zephyr EA has been performing exceptionally well. It is a EA designed to trade funded accounts and maximize your payouts because it is a very, very aggressive EA. It can trade all sessions, essentially trades every minute it gets, every opportunity it gets. It's designed to maximize payouts. Of course, it can be configured and optimized to pass challenges as well. Now, it works primarily on MT4 and MT5, but if you have a trade copier or trade copier software like the one that we provide, you can transfer the trades to your other trading platforms such as DXTrade, CTrader, uh, MatchTrader, or the Trade Locker. It really depends on you, but this is an EA that works on multiple trading platforms, one of our most popular trading EAs, only second to the US 30 Quantum EA. But I know a lot of you guys will be curious as to how it performed on the most historical sell-off day for gold, and we just posted the results on our Telegram channel. If you're interested in seeing the results, you guys can check the description in the comment. Check the description in the video below. I left an invite link there. You guys can join our Telegram group and check out the results of our other EAs as well. But on the historical day, our EA Zephyr Gold EA actually secured over 57K profit in our MT5 trading account. It is absolutely mind-blowing, absolutely record-breaking. I don't think there's any type of EA that could have got these results. Now, before I begin, I would like to put a quick disclaimer. Am I saying that you're going to get the same results if you get this EA? Absolutely not, guys, because realistically, everybody's going to be trading this EA differently, depending on the sessions that you trade, whether you're trading Asian, to London, etc., or just New York, or the duration of those trades. Are you trading for an hour or 2 hours? Are you trading the different account sizes, leverage, and of course, the most important factor, your prop firm rules and prop firm consistency rules. So everybody's going to get different results, and that contributes to the uniqueness of all the trading of this EA. All right, guys. So everyone's going to get different results. Some could have made 1K, some could have made 3K, maybe 5, maybe 10. Some people could have made nothing at all. Some people because they haven't traded that day. So it really depends on the configuration. But the main objective, the main point is to really show you the power of the trading performance of this EA. All right, guys. Now, I want to make a quick comment here is that these EAs actually work on every single prop firm. And in this video, we made it specifically for a client, one of our customers that asked us whether this EA actually works on FundedNext. Well, now, FundedNext is actually a prop firm company that we totally recommend. In my humble opinion, it's second to FTMO. And we usually recommend this FundedNext prop firm company if you have reached the maximum allocation for FTMO or Alpha Capital, another prop firm, and you need another prop firm to scale over to. FundedNext is a solid choice just because of their good record payout. They have never denied a payout from us, and they're they have very good trading rules. You guys can read their FAQ if you're interested about that. I'll also be sharing some of the FAQ and rules in the later part of this video. But I would like to apologize in advance for the US. If you're from the US, you won't be able to sign up for this company. They have restricted US traders, but if you're interested in the trading futures, you guys can check out the FundedNext features. They accept US clients there. But if you're not from the US and you're not part of the restricted countries list, then you guys can check out their normal prop firm / CFD program. You guys can check out some of their challenges. They have 100K, 200K, actually essentially the same as FTMO, very standard prop firm challenges. And the question is EAs allowed on FundedNext? And the answer is yes, you guys can use the MT4, MT5 bots. Now, when you do purchase a EA from us, an expert advisor, which is the trading bot, all trading bots are 100% unique to your name, unique source codes for you. So you do not ever have the same EA, quote unquote, same EA as everyone else, because your coding is always different. And if you do need any type of configurations, let us know and we'll code it into the EA for you. Now, let's go check the your social trader stores. I just wanted to show you the quick performance of the Zephyr Gold EA. You guys can check out the results trajectory. It has been absolutely killing it in the last 90 plus days. We have grown the account over 252%. We are on track record to hit 3x, maybe 3 times the account by the end of the year. You guys can follow our YouTube channel for more performance progress. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss any videos. Now, if you're using this EA to help you pass a FundedNext challenge, I'm going to show you some of the settings that we use. And right here, I'm going to show you, let me grab this out here, right here. Now, if you're using the Zephyr EA on the FundedNext, the lot size we recommend for a 100K account is 0.03. You'll be risking exactly 1% of the account, which is consistent to their consistency rules. If you're using a 200K account, you guys can use up to 0.05 or 0.06. It really depends on your risk portfolio. That will risk approximately 1 to 1.5%. All right, guys. So whether you have 100K or 200K, you guys can decide your lot sizing. If you have a lower account than that or higher account, we can actually help you with the more settings. And the stop loss should always be at 1% to 1.5%. All right, guys. Now, does the FundedNext have a maximum lot sizes? And a lot of you guys are also concerned about that, because if you're using US 30 or using Goliath, which is a fixed lot size EA, there are actually no lot size, maximum lot sizes for FundedNext, but we want to stay just within the appropriate limits, appropriate risk settings for that. So make sure you guys don't go over the predefined limits for FundedNext. And if you guys are using, for example, Goliath EA, for example, we actually set the parameters for you, which is 5 to 10. So if you have a 100K account with the FundedNext, we recommend a 5 fixed lot sizing. If you guys have a 200K account, we recommend between 5 to 10. Some people may choose 7, some people will choose 8. Okay, so don't have to worry about the maximum lot sizing, as you can use whatever lot size that you want, but we want to make sure that we're using it in the predefined range, so you guys only risk between 1 to 1.5% of balance, just depending on the prop firm trading rules. All right, guys. And another thing I wanted to share with you is our new dashboard. Now, this dashboard is very useful for people that are managing multiple accounts without having to log into your MT5 empty account all the time. You guys can actually put the investor's password in here. You guys can actually put the account in here, and it would actually load up all the metrics for you guys, and you guys can check out whether you passed it or not. As you can see right here, we have a FTMO account. You guys can check out here. We have an FTMO account, phase 1, 100K size. It will tell you the progress of what it's doing, what the EA is doing on account, whether if you have EA like Zephyr installed or you have a Goliath installed on here, it would actually list out all the results. So you don't have to check your MT4, MT5 terminal all the time. And of course, guys can check out all the trades that the EAs are doing by entering the investor's password, guys. This is only for the clients that purchase the EAs. And one final thing I wanted to address was, does the EAs work on live capital accounts? And I think we mentioned this in a few videos, and the answer is yes. It works on prop firm accounts, and it also works on live capital, real money. But we don't always endorse that because not everybody has 100K or 200K lying around. But I want to show you one of my personal accounts, which is a account from IC Markets. I've actually put this on my FX books just this morning, and you guys can see I've been trading this account since 2023. I've taken out about 65,000 from here, and this year I've already crossed about 93,000, and I'm hoping to hit 100K by the end of the year. It'll take another 20K out, and I'll probably use that 20K and put it into another broker. Preferably with the IC Markets, because I do like their spreads, so I like their trading platform, and I'll be able to scale that account as well, and I'll be making some content and some videos on my progress on how to scale 20K all the way up to the 100K. All right, guys. Now this is my FX book. I'm not going to share it because it is very private. I do have I do manage this one myself. Sometimes I trade and sometimes I don't, especially on red news days. I personally do not trade any type of red news day, but you can see it has already grown approximately 247%, and the drawdown is approximately 2.55%. This month I didn't trade too much because I was focused more on gold, not US 30, so I've only gained only 4% this month, but I'm hoping to catch up in November and December, aiming for about 8 to 10%. As well as including my prop rooms. All right, guys, so this is actually real life my FX folks. So I hope that answers your question on whether it works on live accounts or funded accounts. And guys, yes, it is US 30 quantum, but you can use any EAs that you'd like. All three EAs will be available. If you're interested, you guys can check it out. You guys can DM us on Telegram to learn a little bit more about the EAs. We have a Zephyr EA, which trades gold. It opens up to 3 layers. We have a US 30 quantum EA that trades only US 30. Lot sizes up to 200 lot sizes you can use. Count leverage. Minimum would be 1 to 30, like FXIFY. Maximum up to 1 to 200. And FX Goliath EA trades to euro dollar and pound dollar. You guys can check that out. We have a lot of videos. It is one of the most popular EAs as well. Just second to the gold EA. You guys can check the performance. It has growing almost 70%. We're aiming to hit about 100 to 110% by the end of the year. You guys can use this EA to connect to your prop firm account, your live account, what have you, whichever account that you like. You guys can check out that EA as well, and all these EAs have a stop loss of between 1 to 1.5%, up to 2%, depending on your prop firm. But if you're using FTMO, we want to stick to 1%. All right, guys. Now that's it for the video. Hope I gave you a lot of information. If I'm missing anything, or if you have any additional questions, you can leave a comment in the video below, or you can join our Telegram channel. Like I said, you guys can check out some of the results, and you guys can DM a trading manager with any questions that you may have. All right, guys. That's the end of this video. I hope to help you out. Have an amazing trading day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.